Hello everyone, in this video I will show you Hamster Kombat coin price converted to dollar Naira. So as you can see here I have 0 because I've converted to in my currency. So convert the price of Hamster Kombat to Nigerian Naira, you can use the conversion features on platform like Coinbase. Now what is a Coinbase? So let me show you up. Let's go to the browser here. And if you don't know, Coinbase is exactly similar to Binance, and the current exchange rate for Hamster to Nigeria, Naira can be checked directly on the sites here. So let's just go to Google and search for here Hamster. Okay, let me just correct this. Hamster to Naira converter, right? And here you can see one hamster will be get you around, oh my, I don't know how many zeros there are. If you have 50, so here you can see this is the official website of Coinbase, which I told you, right? And you can just click on it and you can just see here, right? So for example, if I have around 70,000, okay, let me accept it, 70,000 hamster, then you will get around 0.16 Naira, right? And same goes for here, if this much, then I can get it this much in Naira. So these are the things here. If you found this video very useful, subscribe.